more than you and I. People who had a lot of wealth, a lot of authority, people who had so much. And Allah Almighty says, do you know how many of them we've destroyed? They're no longer in existence. The last verse of the Surah Maryam, Allah says, do you hear them? Do you even hear a sound from them now? The Pharaoh, who was a great tyrant, and all the others who had so much, they amassed so much of wealth. Do you hear them at all? Even a breath, or even just a small sound? Nothing. So Allah Almighty is addressing us to say, oh man, don't become haughty. People who had more than you have already returned to Allah. So no matter what you have, you're also going to return to Allah.